Samsung has unveiled its latest addition to the Galaxy A series, the Samsung Galaxy A56, with a range of exciting features, including awesome intelligence, which enables AI-powered image editing capabilities. The device supports up to 6 years of Android OS and security upgrades, which is longer than what Samsung has offered for the previous generation. The budget-friendly Galaxy A series also includes Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A26. The Galaxy A56 sports a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and an oval-shaped rear camera housing. The handset features a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. It also has a 12MP selfie shooter. Powered by an upgraded Exynos 1580 chipset, the A56 has a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support. One of the standout AI features of the Galaxy A56 is the Best Face tool, which allows users to swap facial expressions in motion photos. This feature is similar to Google Pixel's Best Take and was first introduced with the Galaxy S25 in January. Alongside the Best Face, the Galaxy A56 also comes with an improved object removal tool, photo filters, and Google's Circle to Search feature. This feature allows users to search for text and images by simply circling them on their screen. Priced at $499, the Galaxy A56 will be available in the US later this year. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A36 will be available exclusively at Best Buy on March 26, starting at $399, while the A26 will cost $299 when it launches on March 28. However, in the UK, the Galaxy A56, A36, and A26 will be available for purchase on March 19, priced at $499, $399, and £299 respectively. The Galaxy A56 is available in awesome olive, awesome graphite, and awesome light gray color options.